But sometimes parang, like, I call my dad. So,
Let me share with you something that might help. Sometimes when you're growing up and you don't grow up with your dad or mom, you think na they don't love you, right? But I want to share this with you because not everybody knows that every parent can never hate their children, even if they're separated by time. Like there are reasons why they divorced, diba? But you don't know why until you grow up, until you have your own relationship. And then one day you'll find out na the reason why they separated may be multi-reasons. But he will never forget you. There were times na he looks for you and he wants to see you, but he can't because he has no address, he doesn't know where you are. But
alam po niya, pero we just don't get to meet each other.
Hindi nga.
May contact po naman.
Meron, okay, good. Sa mga wala, tandaan nyo lang na yung tatay ninyo will always love you, no matter what. Kung minsan nga, kung walang communication, hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi ka na niya mahal. Hinahanap ka nun, hindi ka lang niya alam kung saan hanapin. Kayo ba? Okay kayo sa parents niya? Okay.
Alam mo, maswerte kayo.
Maswerte kayo.
Pero everything talaga, meron kasing pagmamahalang tatay na hindi nabibigay ng ibang tao. And tonight is the first time we're gonna celebrate Father's Day together in my whole life. So, you know, parang may mga things lang na hindi mo alam na kapag na-meet mo na yung father mo, well, kayo naman kasi lumaki kayo yung parents nyo magkasama. It's a different feeling kapag magkahiwalay, and then another feeling kapag yung buong Pilipinas, alam nila kung sino yung tatay mo, kung sino yung nanay mo, tapos nagtatanong sila, how's your papa? And hindi mo alam, hindi mo masagot. So there was a time na hirapan kami, but we always use nga yung parang yung story namin to tell, kasi marami naman ngayon ng divorced yung parents, diba? Lagi namin kinikwento yung storya namin, na parang kahit nandito kami sa showbiz, kung gumawa kami ng pelikula together, more than showbiz, more than the cameras, it's really, may rason ang lahat, diba? Na parang kung bakit kami nagkita ulit, kung bakit hindi kami nag-aaway, kung bakit hindi ako galit sa kanya, never kami nagkaroon ng time na nagsusumbatan or sisigawan or anything. Tapos, it's a new parang relationship na ngayon, these days, kapag gusto niya akong indisiplina, he has the right to, you know, like, nag-usap na kami. And for the longest time, 13 years, he would send cards to himself.